I'm done. So this is the mess that I've been creating. I don't know if there's an easier way of doing this. However, I wanted to have somewhere to store all of my strips, these strips, and I didn't want to spend any money, to be honest. So because I know there are like little containers to hold these, but at the moment I just don't want to spend any money. So I'll be making like something like this, okay, where each one gets its own individual compartment. And I started off with this one. This one was the first one. I wanted to do a plastic, like I tried to divide it by with glue, but obviously this is not good. So then I thought, let me make it into a shaker for decoration purposes. But yeah, I got sidetracked and I wanted to actually really make this work. So I don't know how to do like folded pleats or something. So what I did was I made individual boxes, individual strips. Okay, so let me show you. This is like, I took this, okay, and I scored it into 4 and then made literally little rectangle boxes, and then I joined them together to keep it more sturdy, and then I ended up with this. It's like, you know, those storage containers for your pens, right? But it's so much sturdier. It has like, I don't know, 2 layers of paper, maybe 3. But yeah, I think I like it. So basically what my intention was, each of these, okay, will go in there like so, like that. And I think some of them obviously are going to be bigger than it's oh no, hold on, there's one that's really long. Let's see. Oh, the spectacular. Your spectacular is, you're fabulous. Yeah, your spectacular peeps up a little. So maybe I don't know now. I don't know. So yeah, essentially that's what I wanted to do, and then obviously like decorate the front with some paper and embellishments, and then so like, look at that, how cute would that be? And then obviously these strips will be on the front too, like that, so that I know what's on the inside. But yeah, this is kind of like the prototype, like this. I literally made 10 little boxes, glued them together, backed them up, and then made a little case on the outside to make it even, like, to slot it in. And yeah, now I think I want to do slightly longer, because your spectacular is a bit hanging off the top. So that measures 2.5. Oh my god, this is so hard. I don't like odd numbers, like 2.75 or whatever. So it's 2.5 now. I don't know. I don't mind it, to be honest. I don't mind it at all. So hold on, where's all my black pieces? Okay. No, wait. They're the black ones. Here are the black pieces. So the black pieces are gonna go on the outside. Oops. Like that. I'm gonna go and decorate this, and then I'll come back and show you the end. So yeah, they will have the sayings on there like that. That way I know what's in each one. And then I can just put this in my drawer. I don't know if I should make a cover for it. Oh, but yeah, here it is. Here it is. It was a bit fun. Spent most of my morning on this. It's been like, what, 5 hours now? Started at 11, and then it's like nearly 5 now. I think it's a 6 hours. They can't be. I can't. You can't actually, no. To be honest, I was die cutting some spiders, but some spiders and ghosts and trees for something else. But then I got sidetracked and I made these, and then I wanted to put something in this. I don't know. I have like ADHD. I don't know. I don't think there's a such thing as ADHD for crafting, but there you go. Yeah. Started off with making ghosts here. They are. Little foam ghosts. And then the spiders, and then the trees, and then these. And then I was like, I need someone to put them in. I could obviously put them in a little baggie, but I don't know. I just wanted to challenge myself, see if I could create something. There you go. That's cute. I'm going to decorate this and then I'm going to come back.